Hello, UCAR. Peter Christensen here, coming to you from the CEO's desk. Continuing on with the end-of-year hypos. So, going to talk about owners of record. So, you represent a couple getting divorced. Now, the court has said, in this case, that the wife will get the proceeds of the sale. They're both on title. The home must be sold. Wife gets the proceeds. You're approached to list this property. Lucky you. You get in there. All right, some immediate questions. Who needs to sign what? In this case, you have a couple ending their relationship. Might not be on the same page with everything. Might be a difficult situation to deal with. Now, the wife gets the proceeds, so the wife's kind of in control of the sale. Does the husband need to sign anything? Well, if the husband is on record, property records, then yes. Right? The husband is an owner and does need to sign the listing agreement. What about the REPSI and the closing documents? Same thing. Husband needs to sign all of it because he's an owner of record. What happens if you cannot get the husband to comply? You get it under contract. You need an addendum signed or disclosure signed. You need closing documents signed. Husband refuses. What options do you have? Well, you can take the husband. Well, you can't. The divorcing wife can take the husband to court and try to enforce the judge's orders, which say sell the property, cooperate, wife will get the proceeds, and get the court to intervene, which ultimately would be what you need to do if the parties won't voluntarily work it out. Problem is, can you use that as an excuse with the buyer to say, hey, buyer, sorry, we're totally, ready to sell. We're going forward. However, having a hard time getting this soon-to-be ex-husband to sign the paperwork. So our deadlines get automatically extended. Not true. They don't get extended, even though, the wife or the husband should be cooperating, should be getting done. If the husband won't cooperate, you might be able to get the court to eventually force him to, but it's not going to do any thing to extend your deadlines. So keep that in mind. Best would be to have some sort of power of attorney issued by the court to have the husband sign, saying the wife can sign off on all the documents for the husband. That way you don't have to keep going back and forth, being in the middle of the divorce, and get the property sold for everyone. That may or may not work for the situation, but unless you have something like that, husband's going to have to sign on everything. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, this is not legal advice. This is legal information only. If you need specific legal advice, please contact your attorney.